air fryer running on a King's 1500 watt inverter. I'm not really interested in all the cooking things. You can all work out how to cook. So we're just going to turn it on here, and you can see there that it comes up at default at 180 for 15 minutes. Okay, we're not actually using any power yet, and we can just press the go button. And there we go. And she's going to be sucking up 118 amps, 117, 118 at 1475 watts. And I can run this appliance supposedly for 5 hours. I doubt that very much. So we'll let that go for a couple of minutes. You can see there that the inverter handles it. This particular air fryer is 1300 watts out of the box. There we are, 1300 watts. But as you can see, it's sucking up more than 1300 watts. It's probably because the inverter needs, I don't know where the lossage comes from, but anyway. I'll also try this without an extension lead in case I'm losing 100 watts through the extension lead, so we'll be able to check that. So we started at 86%, so we're losing 1%. It's not a problem. You can see here it's not sucking any amps at the moment, or it's sucking up 3.25 amps because the air fryer is up to temperature now, so it's actually really ready to put chips or whatever you want in now. And we'll see how that goes. Again, I can touch the outside of this and it's not hot at all. I have tested a few air fryers and some of them get very hot on the outside, but I particularly wanted one that I could touch. All the hot air comes out. Let's have a look out of this little part here. So this is going to get quite hot, and all the air's been blowing upwards. And some of it's escaping out through the bottom here, but it's really, I can put my hands on there, and considering it's 180 degrees, it's really not that hot at all. So all the hot air is going out the back here and being sprayed upwards out through this, out through that exit there. It's still really not even that hot, to be honest with you. We're down to 11 minutes. You can see here that it's not actually turning the element on. Just got the fans on at the moment. There she goes. So it must suck air in from the top here, which I can feel it sucking down. And it's still quite cold on the outside. Not cold, but warm on the outside. It's a little bit hotter down the bottom now. It'll definitely be hot at the back here where it's blowing back up. Still not that hot. Even drawing 120 amps, it still says it can do it for another 2 hours. So it's 0 minutes now. So for 15 minutes, we're pretty much used up about 10%. And there you go. The chips should be ready. I can see there's nothing in there.